Here's a question that changes how you think about remote work. Two types of screenshots. Two very different answers about what your team is actually doing. Two types, two questions. Let's break down exactly what sets them apart. Periodic screenshots ask what was on the screen, while app switch tracking asks how work actually flowed. For founders and ops leaders, this gap isn't academic. It's the difference between guessing and actually knowing. You've got timesheets, task boards, daily stand-ups, and still, something feels off. At 2 a.m., reviewing the dashboard, one question keeps coming back. Am I actually getting what I'm paying for? Let's talk about what guesswork really costs, because the number is bigger than most founders expect. Without proof, every productivity conversation is just an opinion. The ping loop alone, that constant back and forth of status checks, costs SMEs over $240,000 every single year. That's 1,100 plus management hours wasted on what happened? 46 full days gone every year. And those wasted hours lead to wrong decisions. Hiring when you should fix systems, firing when you should coach. Add it all up, and the total annual risk tops $500,000, dwarfing even that $240,000 ping loop cost. The question isn't, should we monitor? The real question is, can you afford to keep guessing? SuperC answers both questions from Chapter 1 with two tools built to work together as one solution. The SuperC dashboard gives you two complementary tools, periodic screenshots and app switch tracking, side by side. Screenshots are configurable, randomized, and impossible to game, giving you genuine visual proof of what was on screen. App switch tracking goes deeper, showing which apps were used, how often, and what the switching patterns reveal about real workflow. Together, the screenshot grid and app switch data connect to answer what no single tool can answer alone. Screenshots give you a time-stamped visual record, clear, verifiable evidence of exactly what was worked on. App switch tracking reveals the flow, where bottlenecks formed, where context switching slowed things down. Proof, not opinions, not assumptions, just data. That's what the complete SuperC dashboard delivers. Now, let's see these tools in action across three real situations that founders actually face. Scenario 1. A 40-person service team where deadlines keep slipping and hiring more people seems like the obvious fix. But SuperC tells a different story. Screenshots show employees stuck in a frozen CRM, and app data reveals constant switching while waiting for it to load. The problem was the system, not the team. And fixing it saved $270,000 in unnecessary hiring costs. Scenario 2. A digital agency whose key client is threatening to leave and the team has no data to defend themselves. Work replay shows the truth. The revision request arrived at 1:47 p.m. and the team responded immediately and worked through to 5 p.m. That evidence shifts the conversation from blame to facts. Client retained, trust fully restored. Scenario 3. A bug fix estimated at 2 hours took 7, and the founder is wondering if their developer is just slow. The timeline tells the real story. Research, debugging, database testing, multiple browsers, genuine technical complexity, not slacking. Result, a $75,000 developer retained, estimation improved, and a culture of trust kept intact. Across all three scenarios, the pattern is the same. Data reveals system problems, not people problems. You've probably looked at other tools already, so let's be honest about where SuperC actually fits in the market. Hubstaff, Time Doctor, ActiveTrack, TerraMind. They all promise visibility, but what do they actually deliver? Hubstaff tracks time, Time Doctor tracks activity, ActiveTrack catches rule violations, and TerraMind does full surveillance, each built for a different purpose. SuperC asks a different question entirely, not how long or did you break a rule, but what actually happened? And here's what SuperC never does. No keystroke logging, no audio recording, no webcam capture. That's the line between surveillance on the left and genuine visibility on the right. And SuperC sits firmly on the right side. Rolling out a visibility tool is 80% communication, And the Trust-First Rollout Framework gives you the structure to do it right. 4 steps. 1. Connected framework. Start with why, be transparent, define critical moments, and use data to support. Step 1. Lead with the problem you're solving, not the tool you're deploying. Your team needs to understand the why first. Step 2. Be crystal clear about what you track and what you don't. Transparency is what turns skepticism into acceptance. Step 3. Live screencast is for support situations, not routine monitoring. Define those critical moments up front. Step 4. Use the data to find friction in your systems, not to find someone to blame. The tool is neutral. Understanding work is not the same as watching people, and intent is always a choice. When you roll out visibility the right way, the results show up across every part of your business. Transparent monitoring can cut employee turnover by up to 50%. Trust stays intact when people know exactly what's being tracked, and 35% to 40% of remote workers are actually more productive when they're not constantly interrupted by check-ins. High performers don't tolerate surveillance, but they thrive in a culture of support. And that's exactly what this approach builds. SLA performance improves too. Agents get help before customers ever feel the impact, with the SLA gauge moving from yellow to green in real time. Visibility and trust aren't opposites. With the right framework, you genuinely get both. Let's bring it all together and show you exactly how to start seeing proof of work for yourself. Periodic screenshots for visual proof, app switch tracking for flow intelligence, complete visibility with zero surveillance, zero keystroke logging, zero audio recording, zero webcam. 3 privacy commitments built into the product from day 1. Daily limits, audit logs, and 90-day auto-deletion. Transparency isn't just the message, it's built into how the product works. Understanding work is not the same as watching people, and that distinction is what SuperC is built on. Start your 14-day free trial at superc.io and see how SuperC helps you support your team without ever losing their trust.